Tired of disruptive calls from unknown numbers? Let's silence those telemarketers and scammers for good. The quickest way to start is with your phone's built-in features. Open your phone app, the one you use to make calls. Once the phone app is open, look for the 3 vertical dots. Usually in the top right corner, tap on that to reveal a menu. In the menu, you'll see an option for settings. Tap on settings to access your call management options. Now, we're looking for blocked numbers. This is where we control who can and can't reach you. Tap on blocked numbers. Here, you'll find a super handy option, block unknown callers. Simply toggle this switch on. When this is on, your phone will automatically block any calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. This is your first line of defense. Many Android phones also have a built-in spam filter. Go back to your phone settings and look for spam and call screen or a similar option. Tap on that. Within this menu, ensure that filter spam calls is enabled. This helps identify and block suspected spam calls, even if they aren't from truly unknown numbers. For even more power, consider a third-party app. Open your Google Play Store and search for Call Blocker or Spam Blocker. There are many reputable apps like Truecaller or Nomorobo that offer advanced features, like identifying callers from their databases and allowing you to block specific numbers or entire categories of spam. Once you've downloaded and set up an app, you can usually add specific numbers to a block list or let the app automatically detect and block them. Follow the app's instructions for the best results. By using these built-in features and optional smart apps, you can reclaim your peace and quiet, significantly reducing interruptions from unwanted calls. Enjoy a more focused day.